Pandas. Pandas. Pandas, 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 pandas. It's good to be back, pandas. It's good to be back. I know you guys missed me. I know you guys missed me. You know why? Because I missed you too. Goodness gracious, pandas. Hope you had an amazing weekend. I wasn't here streaming yesterday, but pandas, we are back live. Back at it again. I'm Bye Money. Streaming every single day live. 9:15 a.m. Eastern Time. Trading the E-minis. The best community on YouTube verified. Thanks for joining, everyone. Make sure you scalp that like button. Make sure you drop a GM in the chat if you're here. I appreciate it. One of the best ways you can... Woo! Got the little pop-up here. Looking for that one-to-one. Good morning, guys. Good morning, everyone. We got that pop-up. We actually touched our target, and it just tickles the underbelly of my target. And it kind of bounces off of it. I don't like that. Almost want to come out break even now if it kind of reverses back. It's unfortunate. We got a little pop up there. Hopefully we can get it. Market is about to open in about 12 minutes. Sorry, 12 minutes. Pandas, it's good to be back. Taking 3 days off of trading. It's kind of nice. It's kind of nice. Kind of back, able to focus again. And not only that, you know, this week will be shortened in terms of trading. So, you know, you lose less capital, mental capital while trading in the week, and then you'll gain more capital because you have more days off. So it's nice actually to maybe have that 1 day extra off when it comes to trading. I might make it a regular thing. You know, trade 4 days a week. It's actually kind of nice. It's actually kind of nice, no? I think a lot of you guys, if you've been doing this long enough, you would agree.
Target filled.
Let's get it. If you were in the pre-market show, I was showing that setup, and I was interested in it. I mean, it's just a one-to-one. We got 3 points. I'll take it. I'll take it, pandas. I mean, it's the best way to really start the day, you know, with a nice win. It's a scalp trade, and we're able to get that solid 3 points from it. A one-to-one. Easy peasy. Hope you guys had an amazing weekend. Hope you guys have been trading well. Look at the top left of your screen. And we are almost back to the original account balance once again on these accounts. And what you get here is like, you know, real life streaming or real life trading. Nothing fake here. 100% transparent. And so, pandas, I will say this. You're most likely going to get the realest experience of trading on this channel. You're going to get what's real. Like what trading is really about. The highs and lows of trading. You'll experience it all here together. Good morning, pandas. Oh, we could have got a little bit more. We could have got maybe the 1 to 2. But one thing you learn on this channel is always take the one-to-one. Always got to take the one-to-one at least. If you want to get this, you need to have runners. And unfortunately, we're only trading one contract, so maybe we could trade it 2. Good morning, Pants. Good morning. Good morning. Hope you guys have been enjoying your trading journey as much as you have been enjoying mine. All my ups and downs. Pandas, we're gonna make accounts green again on this stream. We've been trading these accounts for about 1 month now. And if you guys know, we have been on a journey on these accounts. They've gone down to like negative 4,000, all the way back up to almost break even, and hopefully get some green. And we're gonna get to break even again. Hopefully, let's get it, Pandas. Solid push up here. Okay, it makes the 1 to 2. Amazingly, Pandas. Market hasn't even opened. Remember, Pandas, there is big news tomorrow. If you want to know what I think is going to be big news in the week, and what I mean by big news, I mean that you could probably pass your evals in one single trade, trading max contracts. And in order to do that, in order to know which news events I think are big, please join the Discord. The link is in the description. It's free, and we continue to trade off stream, and it's just a way to further build this community, the greatest community on YouTube verified. So go ahead and join that, and there's like a channel just to see the news and at least what I think is going to be big enough news to really move the markets. Let me say good morning to a couple of my pandas here. Lawrence, good morning. Northern Turtle, good morning. Charles Wilson, good morning. Kid Poker, good morning. Josiah, good morning. Do you always go for 1-to-1? I go for at least 1-to-1. Always. Always. If I don't, then it's always a skunk. I consider a skunk. Tate, good morning. Hugo, good morning. I could trade micros. I have done that before. The only problem is that it is it's just annoying to trade, right? It's annoying to trade on the Emini, right? It's as in the tick charts. If I can just trade micros, I probably still do 5-minute. I probably wouldn't trade the tick chart. You can do it. It's just finicky. It's just kind of finicky, and when it comes to trading, you don't want anything finicky. Lou the Writer, good morning. Ruben, welcome. Bill 7. Panda, scalp that like button. Hugh, good morning. Bill says, Panda, I've learned my lesson the hard way. Now I take the big news day off and my accounts don't suffer. Let's go. Yeah, tomorrow is a big news day. It's FOMC tomorrow with Fed funds rate. It's going to be wild, Pandas. I'm just saying. Everyone is like on their tiptoes to figure out when the Fed is going to start lowering interest rates. Because they announced that they will, but no one knows when. And with inflation actually on the rise now, right? It went back up with the last CPI news. The most likely rates won't be changed, and yeah, so we'll see. We'll see next time. You know, the next Fed meeting. Who knows though? Who knows? Ruben, crushing it the last 2 weeks. I've grown steadily on the sim in the last 2 weeks using micros and concept. That is when I think it's a good trade. I do more of it risky. I do less and adding to wins. All right, let's go. Yeah, so just know the volatility is going to be crazy. Not only the volatility is going to be crazy, the movements are going to be sporadic. Like, you're going to see huge trends, and all of a sudden, like, there's just no follow through whatsoever. It just doesn't, you know, it just does things that are very, very hard to predict. Let's just say that. Very unpredictable. So I've seen a lot of accounts blown on FOMC days. I've seen a lot of accounts blown personally and from others. Let's just say that. So just know tomorrow it's gonna be crazy. But I will say, if you want to pass your evals, you most likely be able to pass it tomorrow at 2 p.m. Right, 2 p.m. is FOMC. You trade max contracts and you take a trade on the news, and you can literally pass in one single trade, like literally in 1 second, less than 1 second, you can pass all your evals. It's actually crazy. And it's nice because, you know, the news is announced, so you know when it's going to happen. And with that, you know, tomorrow might be really slow because of that. Who knows? Tomorrow might be really slow because of that. Really slow during stream, at least. You know, that's what's unfortunate. Maybe we'll do a giveaway. We'll do like an FOMC giveaway. How about that, Pandas? Tomorrow we'll do like a giveaway, and maybe we can like prototype it today. Prototype it today. Let's do an experiment. Let's do an experiment. What is this? What if I do this? All right, experiment. Let's see. I'm pretty sure I can do some sort of like giveaway with the Nightbot. Let's see. It says choose a random user in chat as a winner. All right, let me try. I thought it's not doing anything. Okay, how does this work? Oh, hey! And the winner is Kip. Oh, it's working. Oh, shoot! Oh, shoot! It's working. It's working. Hey, YL. Interesting. Market's open, Pandas. We got little gap on the 5-minute chart, regular trading hours. Remember that? Wow. Okay, so 5 minute looks like this. 5 minute actually a very frustrating day. Interesting. Huh. We actually open beneath the low of Friday on the regular trading hours. All right. You know what? I wonder if this captures people who don't even chat. I think you have to chat in order to be put in. So Josiah does. He did. I think you have to chat. And Kid Poker won 2 times in a row. That's insane. It's actually insane. All right. Everyone who wants to do the prototype test of the giveaway that we will try to do tomorrow, throw something in the chat, and hopefully you won the ability to watch the stream. I'll allow you to watch the stream. Let's do it. Yeah. All right. Let's try one more time. Let's see what happens. And the winner is... Oh, that's so cool. Kid Poker again. What? 3 times in a row? Okay, something's wrong. That's not actually like... That's not possible, is it? What? Okay, let's try this. What? Alright, 1 second. There's no way. Alright, one more time. I mean, his name is Kid Poker. What do you expect? Okay, if it's his name again, then something's wrong. Like, there's no way he could be 4 times in a row. Oh, he legitimately won 3 times in a row then. That's actually crazy. I should just give him an award just for that. What in the world? All right, Bill 7 wins this time. Okay. It works. We may actually have a giveaway tomorrow. You just have to, all you have to do is simply... All you have to do is simply put something in the chat. That's pretty cool. What is this? I'm not sure what this means. What's game? All right. Tomorrow, because most likely FOMC days will be so slow, what we're going to do is do a giveaway, and it's probably going to be, you probably have to hit a like goal, and when that like goal is hit, we will do a giveaway. That will be the only way to do it. Type something in the chat. Something in the chat. He actually abided by the rule. He's the only actual contestant now. It's the second is short, but I mean, obviously, it's a weird looking one. You try this light gold trick on me 3 years in a row? What do you mean? I'm just curious. I want to keep doing this to see who it keeps picking. Peter Chose made his bamboo. Let's go. Northern Turtle. All right. I'm pretty sure you do have to chat. Yeah, you do have to chat. Okay. Okay. Very cool. Very cool. Let's get it. Let's get it. Hey. Hey. I'm game. I think it'll be fun.
10,000 tick trap.
Second entry short on the 10,000 tick chart for me. Okay. I guess I have to try. I have to try here. Goes back up. I'll have to try. Second entry short on the 10,000 tick chart. I'll try. I don't know what should come out of it, but it's a second entry short. I'll try it on a downtrend beneath the 20 MA. I'll try. It's 4 points. Yeah, 4 points. It's a good signal bar too. Lower high, second entry short on a downtrend on a 10,000 tick chart. The only problem is that this is like exhaustive move down, and this could be a reversal, right? V bottom. It looks decent. It looks like it wants to go. It looks like it really maybe even make a new low here. Like if you want to get like a really good risk reward, you could even shoot for like a new low here. You probably have to put your stop up here then. If you're shooting it for a new low. Should we swing for the fences, pandas? Nah. Let's get the 1-to-1. I've learned my lesson, pandas. You gotta at least get the 1-to-1. It's a second entry short. It looks nice. It's a good signal bar on a downtrend. So I'll take the 10K second entry short here. But right now it is struggling. It looks like it may trap here. Do I want to take the trap trade is a question, not if it's underneath the 20 MA. I'll just take the hit. Move on next trade, you know what I mean? Thank you next, as my hero Ariana Grande always says. Thank you next. It looks good now, pandas. Ooh, trap trade on the 2000 tick. Further confirming my trade, I think. Ooh. Pandas. It's looking good. It's looking real good. It's looking good. Don't know why this is reversing, but it's looking pretty good. Looking really good. If I want to do a true 1-to-1, I can even get a little bit more. Right, this is like a true 1-to-1 on that. If I were to enter this trade properly, like if I were to do it like this, I got a little retracement, so it's a little less risk. But a true 1-to-1 on that trade could be down here. Ooh, that'll be nice. That'll be nice. Ooh, pops down. Pops, I may be getting a little too greedy. Nah, I'll take it. I'll take it here. Oh, hey, come back. Oh no, come back, come back. No, come back. What? What? I got greedy. Pandas, I got greedy. Oh no. No, don't even think about it. Come back down, please. Oh boy. I'm not sure, Pandas. I am not sure about this one. Just be patient. Just be patient, Pandas. Oh. I hate to see this just like violently reverse on me out of nowhere. If you know what I mean. It has happened so many times. It's happened so many times, Pandas. I'm scared like it's gonna violently reverse on me. Breathe. Come on. It looked so good, right? Like strong bear bar. You're thinking another push down. Instead, it's kind of going back and forth here. I wanted that true one-to-one on this trade. Let's just hold it, Pandas. Let's just hold it. Let's see what happens. Ooh. Pandas. Pandas. Alright, I'll take it there. I could have held it, I think. I could have held it the one-to-one on the true trade here. I'll take it. Pandas, what are we? Pandas! Ah, almost. We're almost green again on all our accounts. The bottom two are not there yet. Like they're at like $100 off. $100 off, Pandas. We can get it. I think we can do it. We're up $354 right now. Trades by Matt just withdrew 80K from Apex. 20 trade. Let's go. Trades by Matt. He's been needing that for a long time. I love it. I love it. Trades by Matt's great. You know, like people hate on him a lot, but I mean, he was nothing but nice. When I first started, he was around like he was kind of like where I am right now. He was like 20K subs in that area. When I first started 3 years ago, he exploded because he did this collab with like Daniel Inskeep, and that was a great move he did on his part. And you know, his popularity skyrocketed. But hitting 80K, I mean, I have nothing but, you know, the best for him, right? Best wishes for him. I hope he does great. I hope he continues to pull out that bamboo. We'll get there, Pandas. Don't worry. We'll get there. Don't worry, Pandas. It's just a matter of time. It's just, you know, we know. It's just a matter of time until it happens, Pandas. We know that. Okay, continues to push down here. Ooh, I want to take a second to short here. It's a question. I don't know. All right.
10,000 tick trap.
Okay. Do I want to take a second to short here? 3 bear bars on the 5-minute chart. Let's just take it slow, pandas. Nothing to rush here. Nothing to rush. We are doing fine and dandy. We're back green again on the first 2 accounts right now, the stream accounts we have. Let's just celebrate a little bit, pandas. We're celebrate a little bit. Okay. Pushes down. Could be a strong push down. Ooh, second entry short, pandas. Second entry short. Unfortunately, it's like in the middle of this trading range, right? Not trading range, but it's the middle of this channel. Makes it a little difficult to really know what's happening here, right? You might want to come back to the top of the channel to test. Could do a lot of things here. Ooh, second entry short. Terrible signal bar, though. It's a terrible looking signal bar. And it's right in the middle of this trading range. Or this channel, sorry. I mean, basically, channels are just trading ranges but slanted. You usually want to stay away from the middle like this. Alright. Pushing up. I mean, that makes it easier for me. I'm actually glad it did that. It makes it easier for me to skip. Alright, no problem now. Skip this.
5-minute trap.
Almost want to look for a trap trade here at this point to go long. Looking for a reversal on the 5-minute chart. That 5-minute chart looking like this. Reverse to fill the gap. Something like that. Something along those lines. Right now it's like in no man's land, right? Between the gaps, right? Trading between this. Huge gap here. Gap here. Gap here. So many gaps. Maybe trap trade here worth it. Oh, okay. Second entry short. I don't like it. I don't like it. It is coming off the top of the channel, so that's actually kind of nice. But the signal bar, look at these 2 bars are exactly the same. And we're above the 20 EMA. So we closed 2 times above the 20 EMA. It's just, it becomes more sus because of that. Like, if we got a nice, like, wick up here showing that it's a failed breakout and reverses back down, gives us a nice signal bar, I'd be more interested, more inclined. But right now, it's a little bit confusing. It does look solid for a short with that bar, though. Who knows? It could trap here. Could trap right away. This could be a reversal here. Just watching. No idea. Just hanging out here, pandas. Maybe overall it's still bearish. You know what? Actually a good short, maybe. Actually a good short. The 10,000 tick chart, you can see it comes back to retest this area. Like, if you went short here, it basically comes out break even, right? That's what always happens. That's what always ends up happening, right? You come out break even, right? Takes out the runner and then goes away you want it to go, right? But always has to first take out the runner, right, to reload on the people who want to go short, but they missed this first move. The people are so bearish. Trap actually triggers here. I'll take a short here if it does reverse. I'll take the short here. Right, if this trap fails, I'll take the short to confirm this downtrend right now, but Man, look at the rate of this downtrend. I don't know. It almost looks like a flag. Look how strong this move up is, and it's like slowly moving down. The only problem is 10,000 tick chart. We're underneath the 20 EMA, which could be a problem. Right, for shorts, or sorry, for longs. Ooh, it's getting tricky. Getting tricky. I'm sitting on my pause, Pandas. Sitting on my pause. Make sure you scout that like button, Pandas. Tomorrow, hey, join tomorrow. We'll try our first giveaway. We'll do like a giveaway. I think it'll be fun, especially on FOMC days. Super slow, something to look forward to. Ooh, trap about to fail here. It's getting sus. I'm not gonna lie. This is getting very sus now. I think the market's getting a little bit confused. Inside bar being created here. Don't like it. I don't like this price action currently, actually. It's going quite sideways. Breaks to the upside. I almost like it better now to go short if it reverses here.
5-minute trap. Right now we're getting multiple bounces off this trend line underneath the 20 EMA. At the end, it's just a triangle, though. So you're really trying to bet on a breakout of this triangle. It's a good-looking signal bar, but it makes sense to go short here. It does make sense to go short here, Pandas. I hate when the triangle. Right, I'm banking on a breakout here. It makes sense to go short here. It makes so much sense to go short here, in my opinion. Makes so much sense to go short here. I just hate the fact the bottom of this triangle is here, and it could act as some sort of support. Right, it could act as some sort of support here. I usually wait for the breakout to happen first. I'm not banking on the actual breakout. It's tough. It's tough, Pandas. I mean, it's tough for me. It hasn't really broken out yet. Now it's reversing. That's bad news if you went short here. Very bad news. I feel like I gotta take the short here though. Right? If this reverses one more time, I gotta take it. But this is really bad news. Right now it's actually breaking out, I feel like. 10,000 tick trap.
Yeah. See, that's the problem with triangles, Pandas. It tests your patience. It really tests your patience. Triangles, right? They want to get you in prematurely. Even with a nice looking signal bar, everything about that was nice to go short. Right, lower high, failed trap to the upside. This trap actually fails, right, because you have this push down. A lot of tricky stuff here. Now it's actually breaking up to the upside. Now the triangle's actually broken, and we may actually have direction in the breakout of the triangle. Whereas before here, you can see that we were still in the triangle, even though the setup looked decent, but maybe we just obviously create this bottom of the triangle. I hate when you're in the triangle still and you have a good setup because it's so tempting to take. So tempting to take that short, in my opinion. Right? Multiple hits off this trend line. Everything you learn about trend lines and confirming the trend lines and everything is like this essentially breaks all that you know in terms of trend lines. Right? Because you get this triangle here. It's terrible. It's terrible. It's really tough. Really tough. That's very tempting to go short there, in my opinion. Very tempting. I'll tell you right now, the only reason I skipped it is because this triangle was still intact. Now we're breaking out of the triangle. Now we might be able to make a play here. Could be a higher low setup you're looking for. The best setup obviously is a failed second entry short. Or even a second entry long if we can get it. That's tricky. That is so tricky.
So tricky right there. Pandas, don't forget tomorrow is FOMC day. So today we can actually have very low volume because most traders and institutions are waiting for tomorrow for the huge volatility that's going to naturally come with the FOMC. With the FOMC.
$10,000 tick trap.
Tricky. It's starting to turn to a limit order market. I mean, the 5-minute chart's creating an outside bar. IO pattern. 10,000 tick chart is a O or IO pattern. Interesting. Okay. We're still underneath the 20 MA on the 10K chart, so still downtrend in my opinion. Higher low setup could be a good setup for you to go long if you're really eager. If you're super, especially coming off this trend line again. Basically making channel here at this point. Problem with this channel is that it's a limit order market. Turning to a limit order market. The higher low looks decent. Trading range indicator on the 2000 tick chart. Might come back to the top of the trading range indicator. Two strong bull bars above the 20 MA now on the 2000 tick. Limit order market, in my opinion, starting to look like a limit order market. Makes it very hard for traders like me. Okay. If I think it's a limit order market, like, I should be going short here, no? I should be going short here with a limit order. I should be. But it's a risk. It's a risk I'm not willing to take, but it's a risk. If you think that probability of coming back down here is worth the risk of like a 1 to 2.5, then all right, you can go short here. All right, that's a decent short to take in my opinion. Come back to the bottom of this channel.
It's just a limit order market, pandas. I mean, it's just hard to trade this.
10,000 tick trap.
Me knowing that is helpful, but I personally I do not have enough. I do not have enough practice. I'm not familiar enough with when I put a limit order up here. Where did I put my stop loss? I mean, I guess I can make it relative to my reward, but that probability just always feels so small. And the probability does not seem like very good, typically. Second just short maybe on the 10,000 tick chart again. Second short on the 5-minute chart maybe. Ooh, trap trade always tempting, but
5-minute trap.
okay. Trap trade triggers to the upside. Do I like this trap trade again because of limit order market? It's gonna suck, pandas. I know. I'm sorry. I can't make it better. I'm already up $354. I think I made the money that I was supposed to make today. But when it's a limit order market, unless I'm gonna go with limit orders, I'm not taking the trade. I'm not doing it. I'm just not doing it. I'm sorry, pandas. I'm sorry. Again, if I want to take a trade, I gotta go short here. That's the plan. That's the only way out of this one. I mean, look at the 5-minute chart, pandas. I mean, this is just limit order market. Oozing limit order market here. I mean, I can go for one-to-ones if I think it's, one-to-ones break even is 50-50, right? You have to pick 50%. Do I think I have a better than 50% chance to make 2 points with limit orders than to lose 2 points on limit orders? And where would I put it? Slightly above the previous high? Maybe. All right, pushing up. Most likely going to hit the top of the trading range on the trading range indicator. Limit order market. Go short here. Just make 2 points. I don't know. I mean, eventually it's going to break out. But the 10,000 tick chart also, look at this. Just slow grind back up. This is crazy. I mean, again, technically what I should be doing is just selling limit orders, but Pandas, I hope you guys are doing well. I'm Bob Money. Thanks for joining. We trade here every single day live. If you're new here, thanks for joining. Make sure you slap that like button. We trade the E-mini every single day, 9:15 a.m. Eastern time. And right now, we are up 354. I'll take it. We're green on a couple of our counts. 2 of the counts, we are not green. 2 of them we are. And right now, we are just reading the price action, and it is telling us we are in a limit order market, very choppy, slow grind going upwards. And if you want to trade with limit orders, you can probably find a lot of opportunity here. Let's see. Also, hey, use code BBM, 80% off right now, and it's going to last until next Wednesday, Pandas, which is perfect, right? Because you have 1 day to pass, and tomorrow we have such big news with FOMC at 2 p.m. No, you're not going to want to miss it. You want to take fully advantage of it. I may even stream tomorrow with the news and see if we can pass on evals. We'll see. We'll see, Pandas. We'll see. We'll see. Just stay tuned tomorrow. Stay tuned. Tomorrow might be a big day, Pandas. We're gonna do a giveaway tomorrow. We're gonna do it during stream, and maybe I may trade live on FOMC, but I may do it through Discord. So it might get you guys to jump on the Discord so you guys can watch me stream live on FOMC in the Discord. If you're not there already, make sure you join. Description, link is in the description, and I'll make sure you join that. All right, we're slow grind up. What in the world is going on here? What is this, Pandas? I mean, what is going on? I mean, how wedgy can you get? Can you get any more wedgy than this, Pandas? Is there a wedge, more wedge than this wedge? I don't know, Pandas. This is the wedgiest thing I've seen. Typically, it's a bear setup. It's a bearish setup, typically. But in the context here, it might do a failed breakout and then reverse. I don't know. I just really don't know. This is weird. All right, well, let's do a test again. Let's see if it grabs a random person in the chat. So tomorrow, basically, we'll be using this function on the Nightbot, and it's gonna grab someone random that has chatted, right? If you didn't chat, you cannot join. You got to at least chat in the stream so you can be part of it. And the winner is Day Trader. All right.
All right, well, it looks like we're still working. Looks like it's still working. All right, we're going short here. It's going down a little bit. Pandas, I don't know. If I was like a traditional, just like, pattern trader, I'll probably just go short here. Make a risk reward of like coming back to the bottom here and maybe just
10,000 tick
a little
trap.
risk up here. But you have a decent swing trade. Second entry short triggers on the 10,000 tick, but it's above the 20 MA. Let me show you. 10,000 tick, right? Second entry short does trigger, but it's above the 20 MA. The 5-minute short is setting up for a, sorry, the 5-minute is setting up for a second entry short. It might be a decent trade to take, actually. I don't know. I don't know. I don't know, Panis. 10,000 tick trap may be a decent trade to take as well. I don't know. It's all confusing to me, Panis. It's all very confusing. It's very hard to time the breakout here, right? It's very hard to time when the market converts from a limit order market to a stop order market. Ooh, second just short on the 5-minute. Looks so tempting to take, Pandas. Man, it's tempting. 5-minute second entry short. But because of the limit order market, I gotta sit on my paws, Pandas. Trap maybe on the 10K chart. I don't like anything right now because we're limit order market. I just really don't like anything right now. It's hard to trade this. Trap trade 10K chart is tempting for a typical stop order market trade, but as we are in a limit order market trade, very difficult to take. I don't know. I don't know about this one, Panis. Oh. Oh. Lower high. Second entry short triggers on the 5-minute chart. Pandas. Oh.
10,000 tick trap.
Oh. Pandas. Again, limit order market making this very hard to enter this trade. I don't know.
Okay, second entry long triggers here. Actually bouncing off the bottom of the channel. We may get an overshoot and an undershoot. But it's hard to take the undershoot again because we have this as support. Whoo! Decisions. I mean, rock in a hard place. That's where we're in. Do we go long or do we go short? It's confusing, Panis. Okay. It's going up. Not sure how much it means, but it is going up. If I were to be 100% honest with you, if I wasn't streaming, I would turn off the charts. I already know today is like this because tomorrow's going to be FOMC. And everyone's waiting for tomorrow, Pandas. I'm just telling you that right now. Everyone's waiting for tomorrow FOMC. Like, this is happening today because everyone's waiting for the FOMC announcement tomorrow. And I just really am not sure if we're going to get much price action today. Favorable price action, at least. And unfortunately, tomorrow morning will probably be slow as well. That's what we're going to do, giveaway tomorrow. So make sure you guys, make sure you join tomorrow's stream. We will be doing a giveaway. Okay. Still a limit order market, Pandas. It's really hard to tell when we're going to get out of it. It's really hard to time it. What can I say? Really hard to time this.
$10,000 tick trap.
This is still a limit order market, Pandas. You know what, Pandas, though? At least we can recognize this is a limit order market. So we know not to enter with stop orders. I mean, that's something, right? That has to be worth something, right? Not losing money has to be worth something here, right? That has to be of some value. It's tough, right? So many inside bars. I mean, this is just the definition of choppy, right? Indecision. So many inside bars, so many outside bars.
I mean, we're up 354. It's not bad. I mean, that's like quite a big win in my books, to be honest. Two decent good trades before it started to get super choppy. We had this trap trade, we made 3 points. We had this short trade for about 4 points, right? 1, 2, 3, 4, a little more than 4 points, pandas. We hit the bottom of the trading range, okay. It's ugly. It's really ugly, but this trap actually is a decent trade to take, but it's ugly. Let's see what one-to-one's made there. One-to-one was just made perfectly here to the T, right to the tick. I feel like I should go long here. I feel like I should go long here. Continue this trading range. But I think it'll be also like basically I'm just trying to get lucky. This is tough. I mean, I can't. On a day like today, I wouldn't be surprised if it double bottoms here, but it hasn't actually quite gotten there yet. I think at that point it'd be an expanding pattern. Look at that. Outside, inside, outside. Technically inside, outside here. I O pattern. I don't know. This is wacky. Hmm. You know what's kind of funny, Pandas? 10,000 tick chart. If I actually tried to do the one-to-one, I would have missed it. I would have got stopped out here. If I actually went for the one-to-one, I would have stopped out. The one-to-one, the actual setup. The only reason why I could actually make that trade was because I was in with the retracement. Retracements for the win. Okay, so I got your short about to form here, or second pullback. My two-legged pullback now. No. I think pretty much at this point you can always say like if something fails, it's because of trading range. Something works out, it's just kind of luck. Whoo! That's a tricky one. Sure is a tricky one. We can come back up to the top here with the trading range still. Technically making higher lows, higher highs. It's tricky. Right, trading range indicator. Giving us a decent trading range here. Popping up. Okay. Do I want to trap here? I don't know. Right, at this point, all setups are out the window because of how choppy it is, but hey, let's just say tomorrow might be a crazier day, especially after 2 p.m. Not sure what's happening here. $10,000 tick chart. It's another triangle. I don't know. I'm guessing I'll just use this. According to this triangle, we should be going up. Slightly favoring the bulls. uh, Sorry, Panis. This is not how I don't like to trade these markets.
Convention will say for me to go long near the bottom here. That's what convention will say. How you guys doing today? Honestly, like how's your trading today? I'll put a poll up for you guys. Okay. It's all a guessing game at this point. Really, it really is a guessing game. You're going to make a gamble on which way the market's going to break out, and when it does break out, you're going to try to make money through risk reward. It really is a gamble though here. Triangle within a triangle within a triangle. Okay, goes back up. Pushing up. Ooh, okay. Huh.
don't know what I'm doing. I don't know I'm doing this, but I'm gonna try. No outside bar reversal, no thank you. No outside bar reversal, please. I don't know why, but I'm gonna try here, pandas. Outside bar reversal, it would. It would. In this trade. It's gonna be a big one. The main reason being is because it's an outside bar, or it's an inside bar setup on multiple time frames. But unless I'm willing to like take the risk all the way to the bottom, I'm not willing to take that risk. Just take a hit here. I should have just done a limit order. I just got short. I don't know why I went long. I just got short. Goodness gracious. Dumb trade. I knew it. This is what happens when you just stare at the charts and don't do anything. Like I said, if I were to be completely honest, if I wasn't streaming, I would have shut these charts down a while back. Just be happy with my green day. Anything green day today would be nice. Just very difficult to time a breakout here. I'm better off just selling here, to be honest. Are we bubbling up here? It's just be pure luck if I win this trade. Pure luck. Get back to the top of the trading range. Let's see. Come up break even. Pops up a little bit here. Yeah.
Target build.
Yeah, I don't like it. It's a dumb trade, pandas. I'm skunking it, pandas. I'm not even a panda anymore. I'm just turning into a skunk. I mean, I don't know. I don't know why I entered a trade in the first place. I'll tell you why. Content. For the content. I'm not even mad, pandas. I'm not even mad I skunked that. Even though I pretty much thought this was going to happen, I'm not even mad. I'm calm, cool, and collected, pandas. I'm a stone cold trader. That's it. That's it, pandas. I'm not mad about that. Why would I be mad about that? Why would I be mad after I skunk it? It just shoots and pops up. Why would I be mad about that? There's no reason to be mad. I'm glad. I'm happy. I'm a happy panda. Goodness gracious, panda. This is untradeable today. 10,000 tick chart, right? Breaking the triangle to the upside here. Finally hits the top of the trading range on the 2,000 tick chart. Took a while to get there, but finally did. I mean, ultimately, I was just gambling there. I don't know. But, you know, I'm up 362. It's not the worst. I mean, honestly, it's pretty good. I'm not going to lie. Out of 24 votes, we have 38% of people that are green and 12% people who made over 500 today. That's nice. And 33% of people didn't even take a trade yet. Honestly, it's better not to take a trade today than lose, right? Don't even feel bad if you're flat still. Don't even feel bad if you're flat. Low-key genius if you're flat today. Okay, pushing up. The main setup for that was a 5-minute 1-to-1 on this. Your 1-to-1s right here. That's the main setup right now that's being played out. It's inside bar on the 5-minute chart that breaks to the upside. And 1-to-1. Just got hit. Just got hit by a 1-to-1 on the 5-minute chart. I believe that's the main setup that I wanted to be played out. Notice Panda's new high being created. It actually creates on the 5-minute also a double bottom here, right? Like a W. People say W for win, M for murder, right? W basically is just a double bottom. And it breaks the neckline of the double bottom. And traditional trading will say, you know, do a 1-to-1 on the break of the neckline. And that's your trade, right? Your swing trade. But you gotta be better than 50% if you want to make money. If you want to be profitable, you can be better at 50% on those setups. Quite hard to do, actually, to be honest, because most of the time it does fail. So it's a hard setup to master, especially on a day like today where I feel like everything's just limit order trading range type price action. I'm not sure how far out we're gonna get out of that. Like, are we gonna all of a sudden become super volatile, start trending? I really doubt it, Panda. I just doubt it. I don't know. I just doubt that. Pandas, don't forget to join tomorrow. We will be doing a giveaway tomorrow, so make sure you guys join. I think it's going to be crazy tomorrow. I'm not going to lie. I'm looking forward to it. We're up 362 today. We got our bamboo, and we are glad. We are happy. And, green is green, Pandas. I mean, I'm like treating this like I made only $10 today. I mean, being up 362 is actually quite amazing. I'll take it. I'll take it. But pandas, I think I'm more upset at the fact that today's volatility is just absolutely just horrendous. I think that is what's more upsetting about this day than anything. But pandas, I hope you guys are doing well. Hope you guys are in green. Seems like according to the poll, a lot of you guys are green or still flat, which is nice. If you're red today, it's okay, pandas. You make it up tomorrow. Stick to the plan. Good things will happen. I'll see you guys bright and early tomorrow. Make sure you guys trade safe and use BBM 80% off. Simple as that. I appreciate it, pandas. I'll see you guys bright and early tomorrow. As always, happy trading. God bless. Bye.